One question you might be asking is, how can the upgrade to Business Central benefit your business? Let's first start by talking about how the transition to the cloud will be a big step for your organization. With the transition to Business Central, you'll be in lockstep with Microsoft. All users of the Business Central application are on the same version of the application. You're in lockstep with Microsoft and able to take advantage of the updates. So you've got a measure of predictability where you're in alignment with other users using the same application, as well as with Microsoft, but still have the flexibility to determine which areas of the application make the most sense for you to get the most value out of the application in order to run your business successfully. One of the things that we work on as a team at Stoneridge Software is ensuring that that transition is smooth for your organization, that your users see the additional value that they're getting from the Business Central application, and that as a whole, your business is getting value by moving to the cloud. That's one of the ways that we can help ensure through education and communication that your team members experience a smooth transition and that the pain of change is actually less than the pain of staying on the on-prem solution you're currently leveraging today. By transitioning to Business Central and upgrading to the cloud, you're able to not only continuously take advantage of new features and functionality released by Microsoft, you're also able to continue to take advantage of additional functionality now and into the future as your organization grows and evolves. At Stoneridge Software, we work with a variety of leaders, such as yourself, that might be concerned about the safety and security of their data when they transition to Dynamics 365 Business Central in the cloud. In the instance that there would be any sort of disruption to service, Microsoft has a global response team that is responsible for swiftly identifying the issue at hand and remedying that solution. Their response time for any system down issue is within the hour. This is unparalleled response times compared to other outsourced ERP applications in the industry, and something that your organization would be able to take advantage of with full support from a partner such as Stoneridge Software. In Dynamics 365 Business Central, one of the ways that you can closely manage the expenses of the application is by seamlessly adding and removing users to the application on a month-to-month basis. You have the ability and the control to manage who has access to the application and when to remove those users from the application. You also might be concerned about the support lifecycle for Dynamics NAV. With Dynamics 365 Business Central, the support for the application comes with the licensing that you pay for your users each month. With that, you can ensure that not only are you supported by Stoneridge Software, you're also supported by Microsoft. A clear benefit to your business by transitioning to Dynamics 365 Business Central is the ability for your users, your employees, to do work on Business Central from any location. They have access on the phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer to the application, leveraging a web-based user interface. One of the opportunities for those leveraging Business Central is the ability to extend the features and functionalities of the application. This can be done a couple of different ways. The first is the continuous major releases done each spring and fall by Microsoft, where a robust set of features and functionality are pushed out to the Business Central user community. Another way that you can continue to leverage Business Central to impact and empower your business is through integration with things like Power BI for reporting. This might be an opportunity for your organization to remove custom reports or spreadsheet gymnastics that you're doing on a monthly basis to indicate to your organization the health of your business by connecting the data directly to Power BI in dashboards or reports for your leadership team. Lastly, one of the ways to extend Business Central functionality is through AppSource. This is where literally hundreds of apps have been developed for Business Central. These solve a variety of business problems and can be downloaded directly from AppSource to your Business Central environment. Here at Stoneridge Software, we love the opportunity to provide our expertise to you as you look at the journey ahead. To learn more from our experts, feel free to visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you so much.